take two on recording this video. Um, so after carefully watching the two videos about stand one, lesson one with Mrs. Ahmad, and the other video with Mrs. Shipley, the online video, um, comparing that to the in-test standards, I have made many connections with these teachers in the standards. They are both two great teachers and they have two different teaching strategies. But some of the things I have seen from the video is that they both understand how their students are growing and developing, and they are recognizing the patterns of their students in the classroom, and that is providing them with very great teaching skills. Also, I noticed that they provided a variation of materials for learning, including online. They had digital protractors. I think it was protractors for the students to use while they were in the classroom, and the teacher in the classroom, Miss Ahmad, had physical materials for the students to use while they were in the classroom. And those were standards 1, 2, and 3. They differentiate between teaching their students and providing the materials they needed. They were great. Okay, sorry. And also, as I was watching the video, I noticed that they were asking higher level questioning, which prepares students for higher level answers. And I noticed that, especially online, the one teacher, she actually shows students like examples of as the students were answering the question, she was like showing an example of what the answers should look like, providing her students with support to be able to answer those higher level questions. I didn't see any assessments, um, but I did notice that the teachers were keeping track of what the students were actually learning. They both were well planned lessons. They were definitely prepared for instruction, which is standard 7. And then also the teachers had, they also, I love how they access the students' prior knowledge in their questioning. Like they already know that they already taught some of this part of this lesson. So they was pulling that prior knowledge so the students were able to answer the questions and perform well in class. Overall, both classes were very engaged with learning, and the students were very engaged with making sure that their classes were on track and not getting off subject. And you can tell that they knew their students, and they built many relationships with them. Overall, these were two great videos, and I would like to see these two teachers teach again. That's it.